1 Corinthians chapter 7. Can I ask you, how is a spouse made holy? How is an unbelieving spouse made holy by a believing spouse?
I'm just saying their marriage is valid, is
Does
what
the
that
Bible
scripture
say
is
that
talking about.
let me ask you, does the Bible say that the unbelieving spouse is holy or that the marriage is holy?
I never said that the scriptures were abundantly clear on everything that they taught. I'm saying
I
that we
mean,
can figure it out.
that's an answer to a different question I didn't ask. Does
It
the
is.
Bible say that the marriage is made holy, or does the Bible say the unbelieving spouse is made
Go
holy?
ahead and give me 1 second for the sacrifice. Sanctified. For the unbelieving husband is sanctified by the wife, and the unbelieving wife is sanctified by the husband. Else were your children unclean, but now are they holy? So it says they're sanctified, which means set apart for a holy use. So it's set
Yeah, so I
apart.
mean, my passage, my book, in my Bible, it says made holy, and that seems to be the most common translation. Consecrated is a perfectly fine word, but is it talking about whether we're saying consecrated, holy, sanctified? Is it talking about the marriage, or is it saying the spouse, the unbelieving spouse? I feel like this is a very easy question to answer if you just believe the Bible.
It's saying the husband, but I'm giving you the context. I mean, the only thing that makes sense is for it to be talking about the marriage. It's saying it's not a
Why
valid
is that
marriage.
the
It's
only
not
thing that makes sense?
because if they're unbelieving, they're obviously not going to be made holy as in going to heaven. Like you
Is
admitted
that
yourself when you
just in
brought up
line
the
with what you
verse.
already believe?
It's in line with other scriptures.
Okay, so if a Protestant or let's say an evangelical said, I don't believe that baptism saves us, even though you've got a passage that explicitly says baptism does save, they just say it's not in line with other scriptures. Is that a good enough response for you?
No,
No.
that's a
So
good
why should
response
it
right
be a good
there.
enough response for me and the audience? Again, let me ask you, is the unbelieving wife made holy for the sake of the believing husband?
It's talking about the marriage. I'm
Is it
just
talking
gonna
about the marriage? Because what I'm trying to demonstrate here is that you're adding this. You're adding something in there that isn't there.
uh,
You're changing scripture so that it is more in line with what you believe. Okay.